We are off to Lawson ba, amiga? Lawson saan? Oriental Hotel to meet up dun kasama naming group tour ngayon dahil pupunta kami sa Aso Volcano, Kumamoto Castle.
It's out of town.
It's out of town. So ang aga namin ngayon, ang aga. Mga 4 o'clock pa lang, mga nakaligo na kami, nagre-ready na kami. Fourth day namin, papunta kami sa Castle Aso Volcano. Kasama, nag-join kami ng group tour.
You get down to this Kumamoto, it take about 120 minutes with traffic jam. Okay, with traffic jam.
On our way to
5 o'clock, you can see all the
Kumamoto Castle and Aso Volcano. Yung pupuntahan namin na Kumamoto Castle is ano pala yun, another prefecture here in Japan. Sabi ng tour guide. We are going outside ng Fukuoka. Mukhang nakarating na tayo sa Kumamoto, amiga, no? Another prefecture to.
we need to have a fast walk. So as I said that if not necessary things, you can live on the bus
I think we're going
and
down
bring
na.
those things that is
Nasa Kumamoto na
necessary.
tayo.
You can get yourself a better, lighter.
Another prefecture to here in
you have to
Japan,
have a
Kumamoto.
fast walk, so don't bring so many belongings with you. Can see the castle over there?
There's the castle.
Yeah, the castle you can see. Then
That's the castle. Yun.
there is a shopping street over there. We call it Josaiyan.
Andito na kami sa Kumamoto Castle. Pero mukhang hindi naman kami pupunta sa castle. Magpupunta kami sa shopping street. Yun ang mas prefer namin. Kasi doon na lang kami sa volcano mamaya. Na amiga, na.
Kasi yung castle na
Yung castle kasi napakalayo, parang kulangan time. Andito na kami sa Kumamoto Castle area. Pero mukhang hindi kami join sa castle na tour dahil masyadong madalian. Pwede naman your choice kung gusto mong sumali sa castle or doon na lang sa shopping street. Gusto nitong dalawa, mag-shopping street na lang kami. Ako din, mas gusto ko yun dahil baka hindi na namin kayanin yung mabilisan. Kumamoto Shopping Street. Ayan yun, ikutin na lang namin to instead of going to the castle. Ayan ang Kumamoto Castle. Pero hindi na namin yan aakyatin. Dito na lang kami sa baba. Hindi na kami yung nagbayad ng entrance fee ng 850 yen yata. Ito yung story ng castle. Yung sinabi ko kaninang castle, hindi pala yun castle na Kumamoto. Mali. False alarm. Ito ang totoo. Bababa na kami ni amiga. Babalikan na namin si Grace. Doon na kami sa may shopping street. Sinilip lang namin yung from afar yung castle. Pero hindi na kami bumaba talaga. Ay, umakyat talaga. Mag-iikot na kami dito sa shopping street. Nakababa na kami from the castle view lang ha. Itong mga tinda dito. Mga food. Puro food pala yung shopping nila, street.
yung sesame ang gusto kong bilhin.
Sesame cookies, sesame biscuit.
Parang i-try natin. Maganda.
Ayan, no? Mga food nila dito. Meron ding hindi food. May konting mga souvenir. Souvenirs. Ayan. Ayan, no? Ayan pa. Kumamoto. Kanina ko pa nakakalimutan kung anong pangalan. Kumamoto. Ayan. Kumamoto Castle. Ano kaya itong mga to? stop Mount Aso na.
We will go down to the volcano right now. So after you view the volcano, as I said, there a lot of maybe today they will produce a lot of poison gas. If you feel very unconscious, please get back to the bus immediately. Yeah. This is a restaurant over here, and this is the right hand side is for you to view, and we will be here for an hour, for 1 hour, so you can have your lunch over here at the second floor. Later I will show you. I will show you. Then we are going down up to this volcano right now. To take the helicopter over here, but you will take a long walk, at least 30 minutes walk. You look very near, but it really take a long walk. This is a dome for you. If let's say that the Oh, I don't think we can go in anymore because that they having a red line over here. They are not allowing everybody to go in, and we only can take a picture somewhere around here.
We are now here in Mount Aso. Pero kami pwedeng lumapit, unfortunately. Kaya no, kami pwede munang lumapit. Pwede lang mag-photo-photo lang. Dahil meron daw smell na something, may emission something. Kaya hanggang dito lang muna kami.
It's the largest volcano in Japan
Ay,
and one of the largest volcano in the world.
wow. Galing. Narating natin, this is Mount Aso. Alam nyo, mukhang mainit, di ba? Parang yung araw, tirik na tirik, pero ang lamig. Mainit siya, yung itsura niya sa araw, pero actually malamig siya. Oh, lamig. Look at that. Tingnan nyo, narating namin ang Mount Aso. Saklok to. Kaya lang, hindi kami pwedeng lumapit na doon sa bandang, yung parang pinaka-area na dapat spot. Dahil merong nag-emit siya ng smoke na masama. Look at the view.
So ngayon, masyado nang
Yan yung
malakas
reason
emission.
kaya di tayo makamalapit, ano?
Oo.
Dahil sa emission. Ayan, no? Unfortunately, hanggang dito lang kami. Pero tingnan nyo naman yung view. Mukhang mainit ang araw, pero actually malamig. Sobrang lamig. Alam nyo, actually, hindi ko alam kung tungkol saan si Mount Aso. Si Amiga lang na nagre-research. Masasama lang kami ng sama ni Grace sa mga tour. Na wala kaming kaalam-alam kung ano ba tong tour na to. Pero anyway, masaya naman kasi at least napuntahan namin tong lugar na talagang famous dito sa Japan. Kung ano-ano pinagsasabi kong moto, kumamoto.
So that's the
This
viewpoint.
is Mount Aso. Yun daw ang viewpoint. Okay, pero kay Senyora na lang kayo makinig. Mas
So
alam
that's
niya.
the viewpoint pag hindi ka makalapit near the volcano.
Okay, puntahan natin yung viewpoint, which is ayan. Ayan ang viewpoint.
Yun, that restaurant ang
Doon tayo
kakainan
kakain
natin
daw,
later.
sabi nung tour guide. Ito yung viewpoint, amiga.
Yan ang
This is the
viewpoint.
viewpoint.
And since kumakapal na ang emission, so I just hope walang eruption na magaganap.
Oo, wala naman. Let's pray. Wala naman. Nalito na kami sa viewpoint. Nasa taas kami. Ang sarap ng weather. No, amiga, no? Sarap. Ayun yung isa pang vlogger. Ayan, no? Sulitin, amiga, no? Mahirap.
Lang, mahirap at mahal pumunta. So,
Sulitin.
chances.
Yeah, of course.
sulitin ang husto.
Going back na kami sa bus. Hindi kami pwede nang magtagal kasi yung smell niya iba na eh. Amiga, no? Baka mamaya eh,
Lumalakas.
maasma pa kami.
Pag nakalapit kasi doon sa railings,
Hmm.
kitang-kita mo yung baba niyan, yung crater. That's the
no?
crater.
Yeah. Nakapunta kami, biruin mo, hindi sa Pinatubo, sa Kumamoto kami. Mount Aso. Oh, yan. Ano sabi mo tungkol sa mountain na to, volcano na to, amiga? Pinaka
Highest.
highest?
The
Highest ba?
highest volcano
Highest
in Japan.
volcano?
The largest volcano in Japan and one of the largest volcano in the world.
So talagang sulit pa lang pagpunta dito at saka napakalayo, no? Malayo siya talagang.
Kung si Mount Fuji surrounded by greens, ito walang kagreens.
Wala.
Yung bandang baba niya lang ako.
So, balik na kami ng bus, nandun si Grace, balikan na namin. Dahil magla-lunch na kami doon sa nire-recommend na masarap na restaurant daw nung tour guide. Ayan yung bus namin, no? Na-book ni Amiga sa Klook. Magkano to, Amiga, per head? Hindi pala to sa Klook na book, ha? Sa Viator daw.
So now it open. Bumaba na kasi yung kanyang steam emission. But look at the view. It's so beautiful. Hinihingal ako paakyat. But on behalf of the vlogger La Cocherang Ana, so here's the view. What you can see here at the crater of Mount Aso. Beautiful.
So we were reaching by 1:45. So come back to the bus by 2:30, please. 2:30, please. 来，我们这里很抱歉呢，因为有那个行程很紧张的关系哦，所以呢，我们这里哈只能就是说回到。
Next stop is lunch. Meron siyang nire-recommend na restaurant yung tour guide. Doon kami kakain daw. Very good restaurant. Ito na yung restaurant daw.
The restaurant here. Can see the restaurant? This is the restaurant at second floor. You can get a lot of open food. Please come back by 2:40.
Ito yung restaurant na nire-recommend ng tour guide. Aso Buono. Inside.
When you reach to Kurooka onsen is about 4:30. It takes about very long time, you know, very long distance. Actually, Kurokawa onsen you have to stay there for 1 day for normal. But this time we only go there and have a look, and you can know that what is Kurokawa Onsen Hot Spring, the village of that, because they got a lot of you can feel it because this is a downtown. It's
So, onsen
different
ang
than the
next
city,
stop na.
so you just can feel it. You can take a picture.
Dito na yung last stop namin ng group tour. Mag-onsen daw. Yung mga gustong mag-onsen.
Place can get onsen.
And then,
Na-covered
na daw ito.
So if you are going for onsen, no jewelry to go in, you know, because it will damage your jewelry.
Yeah.
We will just go around the village.
You can go around to the village.
How far is the village? Ask mo.
Can we make a move now?
Here's the tour group. We're moving na. Why? Oo, maglalakad. We're gonna ride? Tanong mo. Hindi, hawak na niya yung bandera niya eh. Going to the onsen village.
To the shops
To the shops.
of the onsen.
Pero hindi na raw tayo makakapag-bath, no, amiga, dahil puno.
Too crowded.
Too crowded.
Balak mo mag-bath? That's naked, you know? Onsen is naked.
Yung foot bath lang sana. Ang ganda nun, oh. Ang ganda dito, oh. Kung saan kami nakakarating. Ewan ko na kung anong lupalop to. Amiga, saan na ba tayong area? What area is this?
Uy, sana sila pumunta.
Ayan, oh. Ang saya ng adventure namin. Kung saan kami nakakarating, 3. Dati ginawa na namin yung ganitong adventure 20 years ago. Ngayon naulit na naman. Ang saya lang, no? Ang ganda ng weather. Sobrang sarap ng weather. Autumn in Fukuoka. Autumn in Kumo. Ano ba yun? Kumo. Ayan na naman. Nakalimutan ko na naman. Kumamoto. Autumn in Kumamoto. Welcome to Kurokawa Onsen. This is the village na. Kawabata Street. Open from 12 to 6 o'clock lang. Onsen Village. Tingnan nyo yun, no, yung bahay sa ilalim, no? Onsen Village, 1 kilometer from the bus parking pagbaba namin. Tapos another 1 kilometer pabalik. Medyo pababa ako ngayon, no? So mamaya patay. Dahil pataas na. Ayan si Amiga. Wow. Ito na yung ganda ng color ng leaves. So, yay! This is part of the onsen village. So, sobrang ganda ng lugar. Kaya buti na lang pinakasama part sa tour namin to. Ito na yung village itself. Ayan. Tapos mukhang mahaba pa dun. Yun. Check natin ulit. Biruin mo sa lugar na to, may nakatagong ganito pala. Amiga, look at that, oh.
It's a Japanese village.
Ayan, let's go daw, sabi ni Wendy, yung tour guide namin. Sinamahan kaming dalawa ni Amiga.
And Wendy, I will buy coffee later.
Later, huh? No, we go to the place and buy the crackers first.
So tiring.
Very tiring.
Wendy is very tiring.
This is a hill that I don't know.
Tiring, but
Okay.
Oh my God. Oh, how many steps more?
Just get on the...
Oh,
Oh my God.
ang laki pala ng maluwag tong onsen village na to eh. Yeah, it's an old village. Hinihingal na ako, Amiga. Parang naka 3,000 or 10,000 steps na tayo today. More. Store inside.
Yes, have to go slow, okay? August, what are you doing over here? I got the crackers, over there. Very nice crackers. You want to try?
Ito yung bus stop dito sa Kurokawa Onsen. Yan ang bus stop nila. driving back to Hakata na kami. Thank you for watching, guys. Ito ang pang-finale namin ngayong gabi. Super 2nd Street from the group tour. Mukhang malaki nga to. Oh. Super 2nd Street reuse shop. Ito mga reuse nila items. Oh. Yan. Dito sa 2nd Street to. Super 2nd Street. Itong mga tinda dito sa 2nd Street. Marami din. Pero medyo mas maganda doon sa unang pinuntahan. Parang mas bago-bago. Mga damit ang marami.